Good morning. We're here at Radio Entrepreneurs at the home offices of JED Insurance and Financial Services. We're here with Jonathan Penta of Penta Wealth Management and UBS Services, as well as my co-host, Jonathan Friedman. Good morning, guys.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Jonathan, great to have you on the show. Want to give our listeners a little broad-based introduction to your firm and what it is that you guys do?
Sure. So I'm a senior partner in the Penta Wealth Management Group at UBS. We provide full-scale comprehensive financial planning and investment management services for families that we serve on the private wealth side, but we also work with a lot of business owners, entrepreneurs, and corporate executives, and we help their businesses in a variety of ways depending on what they're looking to accomplish, whether it be grow or sell the company, liquidity strategies.
So this morning's theme, as we've been talking about, is getting organized. And you're probably working with those companies that are sort of, a little bit after the startup phase, looking to grow, merge, acquire. Talk a little bit about what UBS can offer from that perspective and how you get involved.
Sure. So we help businesses in the spirit of getting organized very, very well in advance of a liquidity event. In some cases, a year, 2 years prior. So there's getting the right team of specialists in place. I like to quarterback that effort. So having the right M&A attorney, the right accountant, in some cases, business valuation specialist, bringing those folks together to collaborate and plan in advance. UBS Investment Bank has built out a boutique network of investment banks that we work with to help companies, depending on what sector or industry that they're in. We have different boutique investment banks that specialize in different industries. So when I'm working with a business owner, depending on what space, what sector they're in, I can match them up with the appropriate boutique investment bank to help them, depending on what they're trying to accomplish.
And what are some of you do obviously financing, buyouts, any IPO work, or you?
A little bit. I mean, in the small to middle market, the most common transactions that we're getting involved with is things like raising capital. So a company that's looking to grow and expand, whether it be a Series B or a Series A if it's a startup. So raising capital is a big one. Debt financing, private equity. A lot of M&A, activity, a company that's looking to get acquired. That's the majority of it. IPO, it does come up, less frequent. That's usually a larger company that's getting to the point where they want to go public. But we do have resources to help in that capacity as well. Oftentimes, the business owner isn't really sure. It's not like it's always the case that the owner of the company or the CEO comes to us saying, this is exactly what I want to do. I know I need to raise capital, or I know I need to sell. Oftentimes, it's a conversation that starts out with, I have this business, I have this company, I'm not exactly sure what the next move is. And so we come in and help to advise in that capacity to help them determine what's the next best path for their business and then develop a plan to get there.